Hi there, so I'm a first-time mom and I am now registering for my baby shower and also just trying to keep track of what exactly I really need and I don't need. I've called out to my friends for their baby registry list and what exactly they thought was some necessities in order to actually fill out my registry. But the nice part with some of the registries that you do, today I'll talk about Target, is with the baby registry, when you register with certain stores, they actually give you a free gift. So that's really nice. So today's reveal is actually the Target baby registry. So when you register with them, what exactly does their gift bag provide to you and what's in it? So let's look at it together. Some of the things that they have are the Advent baby bottle, and so I'm just gonna look inside of it. And so what I've heard is you need about 4 to 6 bottles, 4 ounces. This is perfect. It is a 4-ounce bottle, and it looks like a slow flow. So these are all things that are new to me too as a first-time mom. There's different nipples for the bottles, and so this one, the way that I could tell that it is a slow flow nipple is that it had one hole in it. So for Event, these bottles, it's a hole difference in order to tell how the flow goes out of the milk, because I guess in the beginning when they're newborns, they don't want like a heavy flow coming out of the bottles. So one, the size of these are perfect, and this is what was part of the awesome bag from Target's baby registry, and that's great. Another bottle that came with the bag was the Dr. Brown's Options Reduced Colic bottle. Now this is a bigger one, so personally I am not 100% sure. Oh, it actually tells you when it tells you on the side what color to use when. And so again, I'm a first-time mom, so I'm gonna have to read more into this, but it looks like this bottle comes with it too. And actually my friends have told me, who are also moms, that this brand is really good for bottles. And so there's so many bottle brands out there. Honestly, for me, the less money I have to spend, the happier I am. So hopefully baby girl likes at least one of these. It's nice to have a start to the bottle collection. And let's see what else there is. So in the bag, there's also diapers and wipes, and it is size 1. I'm also learning about diaper sizes. It sounds like newborn or preemie is the beginning. So it goes preemie. Hopefully all of us do not have premature babies, but it does happen, and so they do make diapers for them. Then there's newborn, and then this is a size 1, and so it says 8 to 14, and it's the Honest brand, so that's cool. So I'm just gonna open it up to see what exactly is inside. It is fun to open stuff, even if it is diapers. Okay, so that's really cute. Size 1 diapers. I hear that babies use up to 10 diapers a day. So if the baby is born and you need 10 diapers a day, that's about 300 diapers in its first month. That is insane to me. I guess not only are we feeding the baby, but we're also changing the baby. So baby daddy better be ready. So it looks like it came with 2 diapers in this one. And also, aren't these cute, by the way? I just like prints. Yes, they did sell me on the prints, but I know it's more than just prints when it comes to diapers. And also it came with a sample of their wipes, so that's pretty cool. That's gonna be convenient as far as even if it's for travel and then maybe not for here. So that was a nice little sample. And so on the inside, it just gives you information about the wipes and the diaper itself. That's great. Some other diaper items that came with the bag were another sample. It's Up and Up. I think that's Target's brand. Yeah, it is. So Up and Up, it gave you the bag came with a size 1 diaper sample. Compared to actually the Honest diaper, this one feels a little thicker actually. So it's nice that they give you a comparison ahead of time. And so it's convenient that it also says size 1 in the very front of it too. Oh, I've heard about these lines. These lines pretty much tell you if there's pee-pee or poo in here. I think it's just pee. Again, first time mom gonna learn about that one, or it's probably on the directions that I haven't read yet. So that is already 4 diapers that came with the bag, so that's pretty awesome. That'll get me through less than half of one day when the baby is born. Actually, if the baby needs a bigger size, it really depends on how big your baby is. Hopefully the baby is not bigger than 8 to 14 pounds, period. But baby could be smaller, so there are newborn sizes. This is really when they're a little bigger, 8 to 14 pounds. Please let me not have too big of a baby, but not too small either, as long as the baby's healthy. Some other diaper items that came with the Target gift bag for the baby registry. Looks like a Pampers mom-to-be registry gift. Well, thank you. And it says there's coupons inside, and so let's see what's in it. It looks like a carry bag. Is it a diaper bag? What do you guys use it for out there? What do you moms use it for? I'm sure it'll be useful at some point. That's nice that it's a little bag. Maybe it's just to carry the wipes in when you're out and about. And so it looks like there are definitely some coupons in here. Yep, coupons to use. And it looks like they're coupons from manufacturers, so it's not necessarily you have to use it at Target. You can use it anywhere that you shop, so that's really nice. And then at Target exclusively, there's one coupon in here as well, so that's awesome. And in the Pampers bag, let's see what else there is. Oh, look at that, another diaper. And I'm not exactly sure what size this diaper is, but just based on looks, I'm gonna say this is a newborn diaper. So that's just based on looks. So I think that's what it is. I'm just gonna open it up. How cute, who doesn't love Elmo? And that, again, that line that shows you that the baby went to the bathroom. But yeah, I'm pretty sure this is for newborn size. Look at the size difference between the two, so boom. Okay. So that came in the Pampers bag, and some more wipes, so some sample wipes. I've heard out there that some babies have allergic reactions to certain lotions, or I don't know if wipes are the same, so I'm glad I got a lot of samples of different types of wipes here that I can try on the baby, but hopefully none of them give baby any allergic reactions. So I'm just glad to be able to try some. All right, so that is all in the bag, and it just says stock up on your registry, so that's nice. And so it just comes with the bag itself. That's great. Some other things that were in the bag, Baby Ganix. This is something that is very popular of a brand once you become a mom. I never heard of the brand beforehand, and so this is just a sample of their lotion. That is very nice. And there's some coupons in here as well for Baby Ganix. And at some point I hear we're just gonna choose a brand that we think our baby is doing well with, and so I can't wait to find out which brand that is, because right now I'm just getting a whole bunch of samples of different things and also from gifts from different people. And so I'm hoping that I will be able to choose at least one brand that I'm like, okay, this is good for the baby, not toxic, and it has good ingredients, but what those are, I'm not sure yet. Some other examples of things that came in the bag are Baby Dove. Okay, so I don't think you wash your baby right after the baby's born, but again, not too sure. I'm gonna have to read up on that one. And so it came with some Baby Dove, nice for me to sample out, and it is 1.8 ounces, so I think it'll last the baby a while. And also it came with Aveeno baby lotion, so that's awesome too, an ounce of that to try out on the baby. So I use Aveeno on myself, and so I think Aveeno would be great. I'm glad to try those out. And then, oh, look at this, some Palmer's Stretch Marks sample. I hear this is a good brand to use in order to avoid stretch marks and also to just keep your body lotioned up. So I'm glad to get a sample of that one, try it out before I buy the whole bottle. Let's see what else is in here. Some more coupons from Target, thank you very much. And these are valid until October 31st, 2018. So at least it will be valid at least 2 months after my baby is born. So I'm glad that it's not something that expires ahead of time. And so that's nice that they're not expiring anytime soon, being that it's only May 2018 right now. And so it also came with a whole big booklet of coupons from Target. This one I'm definitely going to use, although I can't drink any coffee. Who doesn't like 50% off at Starbucks? And then there's just a whole bunch of coupons in here for different baby type items, so that's great. I will definitely look through that one just to see what exactly is in the coupon book to see what I can use. And these coupons don't expire also until the end of October, so it's nice that they're still valid through the time or after my baby is born, so that's nice. All right, there's another healing ointment. Okay, so this one came with Aquaphor's healing ointment. I'm thinking it's for diaper rashes. I'm still not as familiar with what the difference between diaper rash cream and also the other diaper cream. I think there's two different ones out there, so I need to read up on that one to see what exactly it is. But I do hear babies get diaper rashes, so it's important to get some diaper rash cream in order to prevent it and also to treat it in case they do have it. I really don't know exactly what all that means, but glad to get a sample of this just to try it out on the baby. Lastly, it looks like there is a Lancino pump. I haven't picked out a pump yet for the baby, and so, or actually, excuse me, for myself. And so these are just, it looks like free bags. It says 2 disposable nursing pads. Let's just look what's inside. And then also 2 breast milk storage bags. And so I don't know if you have to use storage bags for a specific brand. I bet so. And so it looks like it comes with 2 bags that are in a sterile storage bag in here. And then also 2 breast pads. I'm sure these are going to be for when the girls start to leak, you know what I'm saying? And so it looks like it has double-sided sticky pads in the inside that you just stick into your bra, I'm assuming. So at least you get some samples of that. That's great. Okay. So it just reminds you in the bag too that your breast pump might be covered by health insurance. So I'll definitely be looking into that one to see if health insurance is covering my breast pump. Hopefully yes, because I think they're really expensive. That's all that was in the bag, and so I hope you enjoyed the video to see what exactly comes with your baby registry. It's this free gift bag from Target. You just go to their customer service and let them know that you have an active baby registry, and they'll give you this gift bag for free. Thank you.